Back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel fans. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to off adaptive brightness mode setting in our Tecno phone. Friends, you have on your adaptive brightness and guys now you want to off it. So friends, how can you off? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're in my channel guys, you are watching a video first time, so friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video fans. So then first of all open your phone setting to off your adaptive brightness. So friends, you can see this type of setting in your Tecno phone. So guys, click on display and brightness setting fans, and guys you can see your adaptive brightness is on, and guys you want to off. So friends, you can off from here. You can see guys, screen brightness adjust to environment. So as you want to off, so you can off from here. Then guys you can customize yourself as your brightness setting increase and decrease. You can customize yourself in your Tecno phone. So like that guys, you can turn off your adaptive brightness mode, and guys you can customize your brightness setting yourself in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.